Ever wondered how to make profits in the Forex market? Welcome to the exciting, fast-paced world of Forex trading. Here's a brief introduction to get you started. Forex, short for foreign exchange, is the global marketplace where currencies are traded. It's all about buying one currency while simultaneously selling another, aiming to profit from changes in the exchange rates. Imagine a bustling marketplace, but instead of goods, it's currencies from all over the world being traded. It's like a global financial orchestra where each currency plays its part. But it's not all smooth sailing. The Forex market is vast and volatile. It's filled with potential for high returns, but it's equally filled with risks. It's like a double-edged sword, one that can yield bountiful rewards or lead to substantial losses. Understanding these dynamics is crucial. It's not just about jumping in and hoping for the best. It's about learning, understanding, strategizing, and then executing. With the right knowledge and strategies, anyone can start their journey into Forex trading. Ready to dive in? Before you jump in, it's crucial to understand the basics of Forex trading. The world of Forex is like a vast ocean, teeming with terms and concepts that might seem alien to a newcomer. But don't worry, it's not as intimidating as it appears. The key to unlocking this world lies in understanding fundamental concepts, like currency pairs, pips, and leverage. Currency pairs, as the name suggests, are pairs of currencies that traders deal in. For example, the euro and the US dollar form a currency pair. Pips, on the other hand, is a term that refers to the smallest price move a currency pair can make. And leverage? It's a feature offered by brokers that allows you to trade larger amounts than your account balance. Now, how do you learn all this and more? There are plenty of resources out there, from educational websites to ebooks, all designed to help you grasp these concepts. And once you've got the theory down, it's time to put it into practice. Demo accounts are a great way to do this. They offer a risk-free environment where you can apply what you've learned, sharpen your skills, and gain confidence. Remember, a strong foundation in the basics is the first step toward successful Forex trading. Choosing the right broker is a critical part of your Forex trading journey. It's like selecting a reliable partner for a long road trip. You need someone trustworthy, competent, and compatible with your needs. The first thing to consider? Regulation. A regulated broker offers you protection, credibility, and peace of mind. It's like a safety net in the wild world of Forex. Next, consider the platform. Is it user-friendly? Can you navigate it easily? Remember, you'll be spending a lot of time here, so you need a platform that's comfortable and intuitive to use. Thirdly, consider the fees. Every broker has a different fee structure. Some may charge for trades, while others may have hidden fees tucked away in the fine print. You want a broker that's transparent about their fees so you know exactly what you're paying for. Customer service is another important factor. There may be times when you need assistance, and having a responsive, helpful customer support team can make all the difference. Lastly, look at the platform features. Does it offer the tools and resources you need to succeed? This could include educational materials, real-time data, or advanced charting tools. Make sure to do your research and choose a broker that best fits your trading needs. After all, the right broker can be the difference between a successful trading journey and a rocky road. Having a well-defined trading plan is a key to success in Forex trading. Imagine your trading plan as a roadmap. It guides you on your journey through the markets, helping you navigate the twists and turns of currency fluctuations. First, let's talk about goals. Your trading plan should clearly outline what you aim to achieve. Whether it's a monthly income or growing a retirement fund, your goals should be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Next, we have risk management strategies. The markets are unpredictable and can sometimes behave like a roller coaster. Therefore, it's crucial to decide in advance how much risk you're willing to take on each trade. This could be a set percentage of your trading capital. Then there's the method of analyzing the market. You might prefer technical analysis using charts and indicators to predict future price movements. Or you might lean towards fundamental analysis, considering economic factors like inflation rates and political stability. Whichever method you choose, it should be one you're comfortable with and understand thoroughly. Finally, discipline is the glue that holds all these components together. It's easy to let emotions sway your decisions, but sticking to your plan, even when things get tough, is what separates successful traders from the rest. Remember, a successful trader is not one who makes profits on every trade, but one who can stick to their trading plan and manage their risks effectively. Now that you have the knowledge and tools, it's time to start your Forex trading journey. Dip your toes into the market with a demo account. It's the perfect playground to practice your newfound skills. Don't rush into large trades. Start with small position sizes, and as you grow in confidence, gradually increase your stakes. Remember, it's not a race, but a marathon. Forex trading can be challenging, but with dedication, patience, and the right strategies, you can make profits in the market. Start your journey today.